Hey everyone, welcome back to Tea of the Week. Although this tea could have been named for how beautiful it is to look at, this blend gets its name from the benefits it has for supporting healthy skin, hair, and overall beauty from the inside out. Let's check out Organic Beauty Mee Tea. Rooibos is renowned for its high antioxidant content, which help protect the skin from oxidative stress and premature aging. It also contains alpha hydroxy acid, which promotes healthy skin by encouraging cell turnover. Additionally, the antioxidants in rooibos can help protect the hair from environmental damage. Organic ginger root is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It can help reduce redness, irritation, and blemishes, making it beneficial for acne-prone skin. Additionally, ginger contains compounds that may help promote collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. Ginger has stimulating properties that can help improve blood circulation to the scalp. This increased blood flow can nourish hair follicles, potentially promoting hair growth and preventing hair loss. Ginger also has antiseptic properties that can help keep the scalp healthy and free from dandruff. Organic peppermint is known for its soothing and cooling properties. It can help relieve itching, irritation, and inflammation, making it beneficial for conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Peppermint also has antiseptic and antibacterial properties, which can help prevent acne and promote clear skin. In terms of hair health, peppermint is often used to promote hair growth and improve scalp health. It has stimulating properties that can increase blood flow to the scalp, which in turn can nourish hair follicles and promote hair growth. Organic dandelion root is known for its detoxifying properties. It can help cleanse the liver and kidneys, which in turn can lead to clearer, healthier skin. Dandelion root also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce redness, swelling, and irritation, making it beneficial for conditions like acne and eczema. For hair health, dandelion root is rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for healthy hair growth. It contains vitamins A, C, and E, as well as zinc and iron, which can help nourish the hair follicles and promote strong, healthy hair. Organic holy basil is known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce acne and skin irritation, as well as promote wound healing. Holy basil can help improve blood circulation to the scalp, which can stimulate hair growth and prevent hair loss. It also has antimicrobial properties that can help prevent scalp infections and dandruff. It is also rich in vitamins and minerals, which are essential for healthy skin, hair, and overall health. For skin health, organic Gou Cola is known for its wound healing properties. It contains compounds called triterpenoids that can help promote collagen production and improve skin elasticity, making it beneficial for reducing the appearance of scars and stretch marks. Gou Cola has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties which can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and reduce inflammation. Gou Cola can help improve blood circulation to the scalp, which can stimulate hair growth and prevent hair loss. Organic burdock root is known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It can help reduce acne and skin irritation, as well as promote wound healing. Burdock root also contains antioxidants which may help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Burdock root is rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for healthy hair growth. It contains vitamins A, B, and C, as well as zinc, iron, and magnesium, which can help nourish the hair follicles and promote strong, healthy hair. For skin health, organic rose petals are known for their moisturizing and toning properties. They can help hydrate the skin, reduce redness and inflammation, and improve skin texture. Rose petals can help condition and nourish the hair. They contain vitamins and minerals that are beneficial for hair health, including vitamin C, which can help strengthen hair follicles and promote hair growth. Rose petals also have a calming effect on the scalp, which can reduce scalp irritation and dandruff. For this week's recipe, we have a delectable infusion of smooth chocolate and soothing mint tea with floral notes of rose petals. Let's make Beauty Mee Cocoa. To begin, steep 2 teaspoons of organic Beauty Mee tea leaves and 1 teaspoon of extra rose petals in 8 ounces of near-boiling filtered water. Then, combine 1 teaspoon of sweetened dark chocolate cocoa powder with the steeped tea and add 2 ounces of almond milk. Give it a stir and enjoy. So whether you're looking to enrich your beauty regimen from the inside out or seeking a delightful, healthful tea to enjoy, organic Beauty Mee tea is an exceptional choice. It's a natural and delicious way to take care for your body and enhance your natural beauty. Stay curious and sip on.